Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we'll delve into the world of patio design with stone edging, uncovering its benefits and expert tips for creating a truly remarkable outdoor retreat. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Patio design with stone edging involves using natural stone to create borders or outlines around your patio space. This design technique adds a touch of elegance, sophistication, and a timeless appeal to your outdoor area. Investing in stone edging for your patio offers a multitude of benefits, including: first, enhanced aesthetics. Stone edging adds a touch of natural beauty and elegance to your patio, elevating its overall appearance. Second, increased durability. Stone is a durable material that can withstand the elements, ensuring your patio's longevity. Third, improved functionality. Stone edging can help define different zones within your patio space, such as seating areas, dining areas, or pathways. Fourth, enhanced curb appeal. A well-designed patio with stone edging can significantly increase your home's curb appeal. Fifth, timeless appeal. Stone is a classic material that never goes out of style, ensuring your patio's timeless appeal. How to decorate your patio with stone edging to look beautiful. Designing your patio with stone edging is a creative process that allows you to express your personal style and preferences. Here are some key tips to consider. First, choose the right stone. Select a stone that complements the style of your home and the surrounding landscape. Consider factors such as color, texture, and size. Second, plan the layout. Determine the desired shape and size of your patio and plan the placement of the stone edging accordingly. Third, prepare the surface. Ensure the surface of your patio is level and clean before installing the stone edging. Fourth, install the edging. Install the stone edging using appropriate techniques, such as mortar or concrete, to ensure a secure and long-lasting installation. Fifth, add plants and greenery. Incorporate plants and greenery into your patio designed to soften the hard edges of the stone and add a touch of nature. Sixth, choose the right furniture. Select furniture that complements the style of your patio and the stone edging. Consider factors such as comfort, durability, and weather resistance. Seventh, incorporate outdoor lighting. Illuminate your patio with stylish outdoor lighting to create a magical ambience after dark. When it comes to styling your patio with stone edging, there are countless possibilities. Here are some of the best styling ideas. 1. Modern minimalist. Create a sleek and sophisticated look with clean lines, minimalist furniture, and a neutral color palette. 2. Rustic charm. Embrace a rustic aesthetic with natural stone, weathered wood, and earthy tones. 3. Tropical paradise. Transport yourself to a tropical paradise with lush greenery, vibrant colors, and exotic plants. 4. Mediterranean elegance. Create a Mediterranean-inspired oasis with terracotta tiles, wrought iron furniture, and potted citrus trees. 5. Contemporary chic. Combine modern elements with natural materials, such as stone, wood, and metal, for a contemporary and stylish look. And to spark your creativity, here are the compilation of the top 10 inspiring patio design ideas with stone edging to inspire you for your next project. 1. Create a Zen garden. Incorporate elements of Japanese garden design, such as raked gravel, water features, and bonsai trees. 2. Design a formal garden. Create a symmetrical and elegant patio with formal planting beds, topiaries, and geometric shapes. 3. Incorporate a fire pit. Gather around a cozy fire pit for evening entertainment and warmth. 4. Add a pergola or arbor. Create a shaded outdoor space with a pergola or arbor, adorned with climbing vines or flowering plants. 5. Use outdoor rugs. Define different zones within your patio and add a touch of color and texture with outdoor rugs. 6. Install a water feature. The soothing sound of water can create a tranquil atmosphere. 7. Use outdoor lighting. Illuminate your patio with stylish outdoor lighting to create a magical ambience after dark. 8. Incorporate a bar area. Create a dedicated space for entertaining guests with an outdoor bar. 9. Add comfortable seating. Provide plenty of comfortable seating options, such as sofas, chairs, and hammocks. 10. Personalize your space. Add personal touches such as artwork, sculptures, or family photos to make your patio truly your own. By thoughtfully designing your patio with stone edging, you can create a truly remarkable outdoor space that invites relaxation, entertainment, and enjoyment. So, embrace the beauty of nature and transform your patio into a haven of tranquility and style. Are you ready to elevate your outdoor space? Start by exploring our patio design ideas and discover endless possibilities for creating a stunning outdoor retreat. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.